How to register. Step 1. Click on Register as Supplier button. Step 2. Click on Sign Up Now button. Step 3. Insert your email and click on Start. You will receive an authentication email and you have to click once on Verify Account. By clicking on Verify Account, a link will automatically open and you will have to complete the registration with further details, among them choosing your password, and click on Submit. Complete the general data information, adding the requested data, and click on Save. Be aware of providing all the required information. Go back to innovationprocurement.com and you will see your organization displayed on Suppliers. Having registered your organization within the Innovation Procurement platform grants you access to the Admin Base account. You can enter the Admin Base account at any time by clicking on the Here link of the member's login. From the dashboard of the Admin Base account, suppliers will be able to upload solutions, services, and documents, which will be displayed on the Innovation Procurement platform. Modify their profile, view tenders, and post expertise requests and offers.